सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 138, Shloka 35. नीलपृष्ठत्रिकोणत्वम् यथा शुक्तौ तिरोहितम् असङ्गानन्दताद्येवम् कूटस्थेऽपि तिरोहितम्. The main cause of samsara, that is sorrow in human life, is ignorance. Atma ajnanam, self-ignorance, is the cause for the human suffering. A human being suffering in his life or her life because of not knowing one's own real nature. To come out of this sorrow, that is dukkha nivrittihi, to come out of this sorrow, sorrow means all types of limitations, all types of dissatisfaction. That is called sorrow. Sorrow means what? Dissatisfaction, atrupti, limitation, parichinnata, not able to live happily because of this. How to come out now? First understand what is the reason, diagnose it properly, then only solution we will see. Treatment when they start, after diagnosing the problem. So first you have to diagnose the problem. For this suffering or limitation, the cause is self-ignorance, is the diagnosis. Self-ignorance is the cause. Once you know this is the cause, how this self-ignorance is happening. Just as the doctor prescribes the medicine, first he has to diagnose what is the problem. Disease, what is the disease or problem, he has to diagnose. After diagnosing the problem, why this has come to this person, certain reasons he has to find out. And what conditions this person has got this problem. Doctor has to do that. So, inquiry into the root cause of that problem. That is what Vidyaranya dealing with now. Limitation or dukkha in one's life, that's a problem. That problem is because of self-ignorance, diagnosed. Self-ignorance is the cause. How this self-ignorance happens? What are the reasons? For that Vidyaranya said, Avarana Vikshepa. Avarana is veiling power. Once your real nature is covered, as it were, the Vikshepa comes. Vikshepa take place. What Vikshepa does, distraction does. Vikshepa is, this is the mechanism of Vikshepa. Elaborate analysis. Without recognizing the root cause, if you give treatment at the outer peripheral level, it won't work. On the other hand, money waste and a lot of energy waste you have to give, move here and there, not knowing the root cause. Similarly, Vedanta Shravanam alone is the solution where you get the right root cause problem you can find out. Then treatment, ignorance-o-dectomy. Ignorance-o-dectomy can take place. That is what we are doing here now in Panchadashi, 6th chapter, these shlokas. The root cause of the problem, even though it is self-ignorance, what this self-ignorance does. This is called dissectaminer. You know, dissectaminer in science language, they do dissection of the body, the frog, cockroach, and they do lot of dissection. Each part of that threadbare analysis. Therefore, you have to focus. You have to forget this is a Panchadashi book, Vidyaranya wrote, Vidyaranya belongs to so and so much, I am in Mailapur club, Swamini is teaching Panchadashi. Forget about everything. You have to see this is the problem where it is lying in me, the Atma Ajnanam, because of which what superimpositions I am doing, I am suffering in my life. That way I have to look at the study now. I am in that position. Each shloka you have to look at yourself. Not 7th case, 8th case, that is Srilingama, Pumlingama. Forget about it. Even though I talk in between, you don't give much importance to that. Otherwise you lose sight of the whole Vedanta essence. Vedanta is talking about me. I have to feel myself there in that every shloka. Kutastha, Adhyasa, I have to be there in that place. How to remove? If you are ready, then I start. I continue. I'll pick up the thread from the last class. Samanya Amsha, Vishesha Amsha. Samanya Amsha is Idam Amsha. This is the Samanya Amsha. Vishesha Amsha is that particular object, its name and form. This is silver, this is shell. Silver, yes, it is starting, that's why I am getting confusion, okay. Both are starting with yes. This is shell. This is a shell. Two words are there, this is and shell. This is and shell. This is called Samanya Amsha. Idam Amsha. Samanya Amsha or Idam Amsha. This is called Idam. Or Idam is called this is. Idam. Tamil la sollanum idu anu solluvom. Idu enna? Shell. This is shell. That shell is called Vishesha Amsha. Whenever you address any object, there are two amshas. Amsha means aspects. Aspects. One aspect is idam amsha aspect. Another is shell aspect. Clear? This is flower. Flower is Vishesha Amsha. This is Samanya Amsha. What is Samanya Amsha? Samanya means common, general. That which is in every object. This is shell, this is flower, this is clip, this is mic. So this is common. Therefore called Samanya Amsha. But Vishesha Amsha is changing. Vishesha Amsha is that which is changing. This is shell, this is flower. Shell, flower, Vishesha Amsha differs. Clip is Vishesha Amsha. Specification. This is no specification. Particularity is not there. But when I say shell, flower, clip, mic, there is specification of the object. Clear? This is shell, this is flower, this is clip, this is a mic. One is commonly I am using. In 4 words I am using commonly. What is that? This is. But one word I am changing. One word is not there in the second sentence. Second word is not there in the third sentence. Third word is not there in fourth sentence. Shell, first sentence. Flower in the second sentence. Clip, third sentence. Mic in the fourth sentence. Whatever is changing, that name is called Vishesha Amsha. Specific. Clear? Idam Amsha, Vishesha Amsha. Samanya Amsha, Vishesha Amsha. This Vishesha Amsha alone is known as Karya Dhyasaha. Karyam and Peradika. That is Karyam. Now, upon this shell I superimpose because of my sunlight too much, because of its brightness. I miss the shell vision. I look at it as silver. In the place of shell, Vishesha Amsha, I am seeing a different object. What is that object? Silver. A silver rupee coin I am seeing. So Vishesha Amsha I am taking differently, which is not there actually. I am mistaking the shell as silver. I am mistaking shell as silver. Imagine you are mistaking, suppose this is a silver coin, but this is belong to actually shell, but you have taken to silver. You are telling what? This is silver. That this is belongs to my shell. You have taken. This is silver you are telling. So this is called adhyasaha, error, superimposition. This is called visheshadhyasaha. In the visheshathil superimposition pannadanaale and the adhyasathukku per visheshadhyasaha. Every object is a product, karyam. Every vishesha is a karyam. Therefore, visheshadhyasa can be called as what? Karyadhyasa. Visheshadhyasa can be called as karyadhyasa because every vishesha is a karyam, means product. So, visheshadhyasa. I have not done adhyasa in samanya amsha. And this is, I have taken. But in that this is Vishesha Amsha, I have missed. I have superimposed silver. This is called adhyasaha. Atasmin tadbuddhihi. Atasmin tadbuddhihi adhyasaha. Atasmin, where there is no silver, atasmin tadbuddhihi, silver buddhihi, is called adhyasaha. Idam amsha, previous idam amsha only. That is satya amsha. Samanya satya amsha, anrita vishesha amsha, midhuni karanam adhyasaha. Shankaracharya writes in his Brahma Sutra introduction, what is adhyasaha? Satyanrita midhuni karanam. Satyanrita midhini karanam eva adhyasaha. Midhini karanam means mixing. Mixing. What are all I am mixing here? Two things I am mixing. Samanya amsha from the previous statement. This is shell samanya amsha. Upon that, and the shell amsha I have missed because of abhimana and silver. Because of abhimana and silver, I have missed the shell knowledge, vishesha amsha, I have taken wrongly, wrong vishesha, I have taken what? Silver. So, satya, samanya, idam amsha, anrita, vishesha, silver amsha, midhuni karanam adhyasaha. Clear? Similarly, many examples you can take. This is only here. This is the only one example he is pointing out. Don't look there. Look it here. So, this is a rope. This is a rope, but looking like a... okay. This is like a snake. But person suddenly comes from outside. This is a rope. What he says? This is a snake. This is a rope. When I say this is samanya amsha, a rope is vishesha amsha. But a person mistake rope as a snake. It looks like snake. He do not know that is rope. He takes it as what? Snake. Snake is satya amsha or anrita amsha? Anrita amsha, unreal aspect. It is not there really. But he says there is a snake. This is, he has taken from the rope. This is belong to whom? Really, rope only. So that Satya Amsha, this is aspect, and rope vititi, then he has taken Sarpa Amsha. So this is snake. Join பண்ணிட்டான் என்ன சத்ய அம்ச அன்ரத அம்ச மிதுனீகரணம் அத்தியாசஹ. So what? Afraid of that snake, running away from that snake, and shouting also, there is snake, shouting, which is not required at all, but he is shouting. Once you put torchlight, kotastha vritti, chaitanyam comes to take place, there is, he gets knowledge. Like that, he says, Neela Prushtha Trikonatvam Yatha Suktau Tirohitam. Because of Adhyasa, Samanya Satya Amsha, Vishesha Anrata Amsha, mixing up. The match matrame mixing up. Nammella mixing up Pandida Vandandirko. Ella mixing up. Here we are mixing up. Why we are suffering now? Because of ignorance. What is happening in the ignorance? We are mixing up the one Satya Amsha, one Anrata Amsha. Just as in example, he says, Satya Anrata Amsha Midhani Karanam Vat Neela Prishta Trikonatvam. In the place of that shell, that blueness backside and its triangular shape, Trikonatvam, which belongs to Shukti, Shuktau Tirohitam. He has missed that. Now he is looking round silver coin. Instead of seeing what? Triangular, bluish shell, he is looking at it as silver shining round coin. Like that. Dashtanta, second line. Asanga Anandadi. I, the Kutasthaha, am Asangaha, unattached. Kutastha Atma, the self, am originally Asangaha, not attached, not tainted, not afflicted, not associated. Na Sangaha asya asti. No Sangha. Anandaha, I am Ananda Swarupaha. Originally, I the Kutastha I am. Originally, Ananda Swarupaha. Kutastha api Tirohitam is covered, missed. In that place, what he says, Ananandaha, Aham, Sangaha. I am associated with my daughter, I am associated with my husband, I am associated with my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, all relations, Sangaha, adhikada Sambandhi, and peru. Sangaha, Sambandhi, all comes to whom? Because I have missed my Kotastha nature, I have taken Jiva, body, mind, complex, I have developed Sangha. Not only that, Sangha developed, okay. Once you get it, Sangha, Dukkha also come along with that. Anananda will come. Body, mind, complex, Chidabhasa, three defects I superimpose upon me. Missing first, then superimposing. Once I miss it, the rope as rope, I superimpose, it is a green snake, it is a poisonous snake, it is a dangerous snake. It bites, no medicine at all these imaginations. If once I miss, I am Kutasthaha, I am body, I have old age, I have death, I have birth, I have lot of diseases, problems, all these are not there. But I am superimposing upon me the Kutastha, all body, mind defects, I am superimposing upon me. That I am is common. What I am superimposing. Samanyamsha is what? I am. What are all superimpositions? Vyadhi, Jara, Maranam, etc., etc. All I am superimposing. Then what after superimposition? Padu maname, padu, kashta padu. பகவானுக்கு போய் கண்ணில்லையா காதில்லையா உனக்கு காவென்றி கூவினால் ஓலமிட்டேனே உனக்கு காதல் விடவில்லையா பகவான் will ask நான் பஞ்சதசிலோ கூவிட்டேனே உன் காதல் விடவில்லையான்னு பகவான் will ask us. Bhagavan is deaf, we are deaf. Really speaking, we are deaf. Bhagavan is not deaf. This is what our greatness. Confusion and confusing Bhagavan also. Is it required? Shastra says you need not worry at all, but you are managing to worry. What can I do? Further continues. Look into the next. 36. Aropitasya drishtante Rupyam nama yatha tatha Kutastha vikshepa Nama hamiti nischayah. Now Namakaranam. Having seen, missing the rope as rope, you do Namakaranam also. What Namakaranam? Snake Namakaranam. All of you come for function now. Okay. Missing the shell, you are doing Namakaranam. Silver Namakaranam. So, all of you ready for a Namakarana function? What Namakaranam we do? Look into the shloka. Drishtante, in the example. Drishtante, in the example of what? A shell example. So, here he is taking shell, silver shell example. Okay. In this Drishtante, shell and silver example, Aropitasya means in this silver shell example of the superimposed one, what we are superimposed here, that is Yatha Rupyam Nama. It is called Rupee, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, new coin, 10 rupees note. Why to 1 rupee, 2 rupee? Now we can go high also. 10 rupees golden color, I think, along with silver in the middle. Oh, more attractive. Silver is more costly. Gold is more costly than silver. Therefore, silver plus gold mixed together. So, Rupya means a coin. Rupyam Nama. This Rupyam is called rupee, coin, silver coin. Silver coin, the name is given. Where to whom we have given really, this ignorant fellow person gave that this is a silver coin. This name he has given. Who? Ignorant person. To whom he has given that Rupyam Nama name? Shell. So Nama means it is called as Rupyam, silver coin. Because of superimposition. Aropita. Aropita means superimposed. Drishtante, upon the silver. Upon the silver or shell? Upon the shell, aropitam, superimposed object is known as silver coin. Rupyam Nama. Just as. Yatha means just as. Just as that silver is superimposed upon the shell, which is superimposed upon the shell is called silver. Similarly, tatha, similarly, in the same manner, in the same way, kutasthe, kutastha adhyastha vikshepa. Kutastha vikshepa adhyastha. Or kutastha adhyastha vikshepa we can take. Kutasthe adhyastha vikshepa means here the chidabhasa. Kutastha, upon kutastha, chidabhasa is formed, reflected consciousness Three children, do you remember? Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram and Chidabhasa, reflected consciousness. So these three are superimposed upon Kutastha because of Avaranam. Vikshepa job is to create three of them. Once three of them created, one first comes. What is that? Chidabhasa. That is what he says. Kutasthe adhyastha vikshepaha nama Chidabhasa, which is superimposed by projection. Vikshepa means projection. By projection, what is superimposed? Chidabhasa is projected upon Kutastha. Upon Kutastha, first Chidabhasa is projected, number one. For that Chidabhasa alone is what name? Aham iti nama. I am. On that. That Chidabhasa, superimposed Chidabhasa upon Kutastha is named as Aham. I am. Aham iti nama nischayah. Nichitartham madri namakarana nischayam. Namakarana nischayam. Once you have given name, you have to be called by that name only. Isn't it? I am, I am, I am. Once he saw that rupee coin, his whole vision is what? Rupee coin, silver coin, silver coin, silver coin. Whatever is silver coin, he is thinking, really speaking, what is it? Shell. Instead of shell, he is telling silver, silver, silver. Similarly, in Kutastha place is shell. The shell place lo Kutastha. And the silver place lo Chidabhasa aham. That vikshepa, adhyastha vikshepam. What is super? Adhyastha means superimposed. Vikshepa means that is projection. The projected, superimposed Chidabhasanuக்கு பேர் என்னன்னா aham. Nan. I am. Superimposed. Nama nischayah. Next shloka. Aham means I. Aham means I. Iti, this is the name. Who are you? I am. First start. I am. அதுக்கப்புறம் கதை. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்தூல சூக்ஷ்மா. I am வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் என்னோட குட்டி குழந்தை. I am வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தானே என்னோட குட்டி குழந்தை எல்லாம் வரும். I am ஒரு சூப்பர் இம்போசிஷன் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் விக்ஷேப. செகண்ட் சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், தென் ஸ்தூல சரீரம், தென் ஸ்தூல சரீர கனெக்டட் superimpositions. Samsara serial starts, colorful serial, climax, tragedy, comedy, adi, dadi, ellam nischayah. Next shloka. Idamam shamsvatah pashyan रूप्यमित्यभिमन्यते तथा त्वं च स्वतः पश्यन् अहमित्यभिमन्यते. How? Question. How is it possible? How can he consider Kutastha as Aham, I am, that I notion, how it is possible upon Kutastha? Hence you ask, how silver is possible upon shell? How silver is possible upon shell? Because of silver abhimana, because of its shining, because of your vision, wrong perception. Wrong perception. Possible. That is possible. This is also possible. That's what he says here. The process of superimposition. The process of superimposition completed. Now after superimposition, vyavahara, how it happens. After superimposition, nama, karanam over. Now The superimposition apparam enna nadakkuradhu adu solrar. What is happening? What is the next dialogue of this Ajnani? Superimposed aham further continues. Idamamsha swatah pashyan. Idamamsha swatah means essentially, really speaking, really nijjama sonna anardham. Swatah nijjama an solrom illaya Tamil lo. Nijjama essentially that of the shell. Idam amsha swatah pashyan. When he is seeing this is silver, idam amsha swatah pashyan. This idam amsha, this is he is seeing or not? This is he is experiencing. Idi swatah. Originally he is seeing that this is really that is belong to shell. That's what he says. Idam amsha swatah pashyan. Patinde indi idi ani therindinde swatah pashyan rupyamiti abhimanyate. As he is seeing directly, he says this is silver. But this is he is experiencing or not? He is experiencing. What he is experiencing, silver is he is experiencing. Therefore he utters the word, this is silver. Rupyam nama abhimanyate. He considers this is silver. Really speaking, this is belong to shell or silver? Shell. This is belong to silver or shell? இன்னொரு வாட்டி கேட்டா நீங்க சில்வர்னு சொல்லுவேன். நான் வேணுமனே கேட்கிறேன். I am asking deliberately. This is belong to shell. When he says silver, this is silver, silver and this are separate or not? Bhinnam or not? Bhinnam. They are different. Because there is no silver. This and silver cannot be together here. This and shell can be together because silver is not there. This is and silver cannot be together because silver is not possible here. That is swataha. Originally this is belong to shell, but he has taken to silver. Satya amsha, this is taken from this shell and mixed with silver. Satya anrita midhani karanam. Rupi nama manyate, abhimanyate, he considers as 1 rupee coin or 10 rupee coin. Pashyan, as he seeing. Patinde anartham. Pashyan, continuous. Present continuous. Pashyan and seeing itself is telling. This pathinde, kair pathinde, and the dirgham solano. Pathinde, pashyan, sarpaha, vadati. Pashyan, rupyam nama abhimanyate. Panditame Swami Papa inna povatuna. He goes near to that as a rupee coin. Disappointment. He is going to catch hold of. He went near, close up, shell. Then what? Appointment or disappointment? Big disappointment. That too telling to other friends, hey, rupee coins, I have got money today, Friday morning. Nalla yaar moonju paathana enakku nalla rupee coin kadichirukku. Kitta pona friends kella sollittu. Running and start taking. He saw the shell and they are laughing and clapping. This person. They are laughing. Appo innu kashtam. Erkanave or disappointment. What is that? I didn't get silver coin. What a disappointment. Another friend is laughing from the back. Another disappointment. In the fall, innu perissa sirikara. Adu or disappointment. Idella vechindi ore dukham. Poduma? Adu madri second line. Nama drama. Original drama ipo. Okay, tatha, similarly, swam cha swataha pashyan. Swam cha, I-ness. I. Swam means I-ness. Swataha pashyan, essentially that of the Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is reflected consciousness projected. That is only projected. It is not real. Reflected conscious is not real. Kutastha is OC or RC? OC. Upon OC, RC is formed. Once RC is formed, this RC has taken as I-ness. That I-ness is RC, belongs to reflected consciousness, which is not real. That I-ness belongs to whom? Swataha Pashyan, Kutastha. But he has taken it as Chidabhasa. RC can exist separately without OC. Reflected consciousness, reflection can exist without original? No. Can silver coin exist without shell? It cannot exist. Because shell only appearing as silver. RC is nothing but OC alone appearing as RC. But when I am taking to this RC, is it real or unreal? Unreal. But I am taking RC as myself. First child is a child. Then second child, third child, all will come. Nee onnu pudichukonna avane pinnadi anda. Tatha swam cha swataha pashyan. Swam cha swataha pashyan means just as this is belong to shell, that is original. Samanya amsha. Similarly, here also swataha swam pashyan. Swam belongs to samanya amsha. That is samanya amsha. And the swataha swam amsha, adukkulla and the swam edathila vere per vekra. Enna namakaranam pannina? Swataha pashyan aham iti abhimanyate. Aham. And the silver place lo aham. And the silver place lo aham vekkanam. Adha Chidabhasa RC. And the silver shell place lo Kutastha. In the example, Drishtanta nalla correct eludikanu. Kutastha shell. Okay? And silver Kutastha is not shell. Kutastha place la shell example given. Silver place la what example? Dashtanta given? Aham. I am. I-ness. Aham iti abhimanyate. He considers. Abhimanyate means comes to an experience. I am feeling I-ness. I am aware of. This I is not real I. Pseudo I. It is not real I. It is pseudo I. It is a reflection of Chit. This Chidabhasa is the reflection of Chit, original Kutastha. So, in the original Kutastha, in the reflected Chidabhasa, what I missed there, I missed in example shell. Here I missed Kutastha. Then I had taken here aham, I. Who is this I? Chidabhasa, ahankara, ego. Ego or ahankara, so many names we can give. Many names. What are the many names comes later. Next shloka, we will see. Aham iti, I am the Chidabhasa. I am Chidabhasa in this way. Limited, space-wise. Chidabhasa, reflected thing is limited or all-pervasive? Limited. Parichinna. Time-wise, time-bound, space-bound, everything. Nishchayaha iti. Next shloka. Further, continuation. Idam tvarupyate bhinne svatvahante tadheshyatam सामान्यं च विशेषश्च उभयत्रापि गम्यते. The superimposition further analyzed. What is that? 38th shloka, meaning idam tva rupyate bhinne. Idam, this is rupyate, rupyam, that is which you have superimposed. Idam, you have superimposed what? Silver. Upon idam, this, the second aspect of idam amsha, what is that? Shell. Originally, swataha, it is shell. But you have pushed away the shell, you do not know that, and you have superimposed silver. Idam tva rupyate bhinne. Both are separate. They are different. Bhinne. Because both cannot coexist. Bhinne, vere. It's not there. It is not there. This is shell, you can say. This is shell. Both are separate. This is and shell, are they separate? They are bhinnam, they are different. Wherever this is, there is shell. Whatever shell, that is. Easiness is there, shell is there. So easiness and shell go together. But when you say silver, can they? This is silver. When you say silver, wherever silver, there is easiness. Wherever easiness, there is silver, can you say? When you superimpose, both are different. Bhinne. Both are different. There is no shining silver coin at all. Therefore, it does not belong to this is. Silver is not belong to this is. This is belong to whom? Shell, not to the silver. Why? Silver is not there. It is appearing, but it is not there. It is your superimposition. Kannu konjam check panniko. Adi madri, look into the word. Idam tva rupyate bhinne. That is called bhinne, means different. Swatvahante tadha ishyatam. Swatvahante means swat. Idam tva means the thisness of the shell. First line is example. Okay. Thisness of the shell, idam tva, means thisness of the shell. Rupyata, that is rupyate is there. It is rupyata. Rupyatvam or rupyata, both are one and the same. Jadatvam, jadata. The nesiki, ta, tvam, both you can use. Manushyatvam, manushyata. Humanness, human being, humanness. Nesiki, tvam, ta, both you can use. Manushyatvam or manushyata. Pakshitvam or pakshita. Vrikshatvam or vrikshata. Pashutvam or pashuta. Similarly, here also, rupyata. Because of sandhi rule, rupyate it is. Rupyata, the silverness. Rupyata means the silverness. That ness is called rupyata. Rupyata, silverness, which is superimposed upon shell. Adi marakakudadu. Namak ore velliyo velli. Okay. The silverness that which you have superimposed upon the shell. Bhinne are separate from each other. They are separate from each other. Where there is silver, there is no easiness. Where there is easiness, there is no silver. Really. Where there is this is, there is shell. Where shell is, this is, both are associated. Silver and this is cannot be associated. That's what bhinne, swatva, then darshtanta. Swatvam, the I-ness of the Kutastha Chaitanyam. Swatvam. Swa means swam and I chonne. Swam and ness. I-ness. In the technical terms, puriyarde periya kashtam. Subject over kashtam. Technical terms over kashtam. I-ness. I swam. Ness. Tvam. Swatvam. Swatvam is called I-ness. Swatvam ahanta tatha ishyatam tatha. You understand. Ahanta, ahante means I am chidabhasa aspect. Tatha ishyatam means bhinna iti ishyatam. Ishyatam means should be understood. Should be understood. Same way, just as the thisness of the shell and silver both are bhinnam, similarly here also swamtvam, swamtvam means I-ness of this aham, both are bhinnam. This I-ness belongs to originally Kutastha, but he is superimposing what? Chidabhasa. That is, he says swatva hante, swatva aham te, swatvam ahante, swatva hante. You have to split that way. Swatvam, the I-ness of the Kutastha Chaitanyam. This I-ness of the Kutastha Chaitanyam, drishtanta cholungo. I-ness of the Kutastha Chaitanyam, dashtante. This ness of the shell. You know what cholungo? I-ness of the dashtanta, I-ness of the Kutastha Chaitanyam, in drishtanta, thisness of the shell. Or this is thisness of the shell, like I-ness of the Kutastha. Upon this, there thisness and the silver is mixed. There I mixed. In this I-ness of the Kutastha Chaitanyam, I am Chidabhasa is mixed up. I am Chidabhasa aspect. That is called ahante. That means ahanta, I-ness. Tatha ishyatam. May you understand this way. Just as in example, same way in original also. Then samanyam cha visheshascha ubhayatrapi gamyate. Samanya means the common substratum. The common substratum. What is common substratum? In example, in the silver and shell. In the rendu perikume common substratum is what? Superimposed silver, original shell. Rendu perikume locus enge. This is idam. Idam is the same locus for silver also, shell also. That is called samanya amsha. Samanya amsha. In drishtanta. What about dashtanta? Dashtanta, no? I-ness. That I-ness is the same for Kutastha Chaitanyam and Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is superimposed. Kutastham is originally belong to that I-ness. It is the original holder, property holder actually. Extension. Okay. In the shell is the land owner. Owner of the land. What land? Isness. The shell is the owner of this land. Na chumma kada madri solren. Okay, don't take. The owner of this locus, idam, who? Shell. Who is coming and occupying, encroaching? Silver. Silver is encroaching. So, encroachment court lo petition podanuma vendama? Podanum. Adi madri, in the I-ness belongs to Kutastha, this I am Chidabhasa comes and encroach the Kutastha Samanya Amsha. So, Samanya Amsha and Visheshascha Ubhayatrapi Gamyate means Vishesha means the specific aspect of the superimposed. The specific aspect of the superimposed. Vishesha annale specific aspect of superimposed. What is specific aspect of superimposed in example? Silver. What is the specific aspect of superimposed in Dashtanta? Chidabhasa. Ahankara. I am Chidabhasa, Ahankara, superimposed. Gamyate means separately seen. You have to correction. There is in second line, Samanyam cha visheshascha Shubhayatrapi. Ha plus you. Shubhayatra. He plus Ubhayatra, Shubhayatra irkanam. Indeed. He means indeed. Ubhayatrapi gamyate. The separation should be seen in both. In both means Dashtanta and Drishtanta. Samanya Vishesha Bhinnata, separation in Drishtanta and Dashtanta you should see. Gamyate means understood. Should be understood. Should be understood means thisness, Samanyamsha, silver, superimposed one, both are Bhinnam or not in Drishtanta. Here also in Dashtanta. Ubhayatra means what? In Drishtanta and Dashtanta. In Dashtanta also, here, Kutastha, I-ness. That I-ness is, upon that superimposed what? I am Chidabhasa is superimposed. So here also, Vishesha Amsha, instead of Kutastha, I have superimposed Chidabhasa Amsha. Therefore, once I superimpose Chidabhasa Amsha, I am missing what? I am Kutastha, Asanga, Ananda, Swarupa Kutastha, I have missed. Dukhi, this person, Samsari, Maranavan, Vyadhivan, Sarvam, all Dukkham superimposed. This is what happening. Visheshascha, Ubhayatrapi, Gamyate. Then another example he is going. From 33 to 38 silver example over. Further clarification he gives the commonness of the word Swayam he is explaining now. The commonness of the word Swayam. That is oneself. Swatah Pashyan he said in the previous shloka. Where 37th shloka. Swatah Pashyan. What is that Swataha? That is oneself is explained in this shloka 39. Explained through the usage in routine language. In routine language, how you use this oneself. In first person, second person, third person, we use this oneself. How? Devadatta swayam gachet. Tvam vikshasva swayam tatha. Aham swayam na shaknomi. Ityevam loke prayujyate. 3 sentences you have to put. Devadattaha swayam gachet within inverted commas. Number 1. Number 2. Tvam swayam vikshasva. Tvam swayam vikshasva. Number 2. This is within inverted commas. Then number 3. Aham swayam na shaknomi. Another inverted commas quotation. 3 quotations. First example is for the third person. Second example, Tvam Vikshasva Swayam, is for the example for second person. Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Okay. Then third example, Aham Swayam na Shaknomi, is for first person. Okay, koncham grammar gadavida. First person, second person, third person. What is in English? I, he is third person, you is second person, I am first person. That's all. Devadattaha swayam gachet. First. So, Devadattaha swayam gachet means Devadattaha should himself go. Let him go by himself. Devadattaha swayam gachet. And the swayam and anartham, Devadatta should go himself. For party somewhere. Should go himself. First one. Then, what is the second word? Second word is, Tvam swayam vikshasva. Niye par. And solluvan illaya. Swayam vikshasva. You see yourself. You see yourself. This is second person. Then first person, aham na shaknomi. I cannot do this. It is not possible for me. I cannot do myself. He himself go. You yourself see. I myself cannot do this. So, himself, yourself, myself. That is what? Samanyam. For everyone. And the swataha annadukku is the meaning. This is the meaning. Swataha na shaknomi iti evam loke prayujyate. It is very commonly used in the world. Prayujyate. Prayujyate means swayam, that oneself is essentially well known in the society when we interact. So, I, the self, he himself, she herself, it itself. We say, no? He himself, she herself, it itself. So, there, I, the self, the self is the adhikaranam. I is ego. Similarly, he himself, when you say, he is adhikaranam, himself is ego. Ego. Okay, she herself. She is adhikaranam, herself is ego. It itself. It is adhikaranam, itself is ego. Like that you have to apply. With this example, prayujyate. Next shloka we will read. Idam rupyamidam vastram iti yadvadidam tatha asau tvamahamityeshu swayamityabhimanyate. So first person, second person, third person in example. Now he comes to Dashtanta. Idikida namak koncham purum velangai. So this Chidabhasa Ahankaratiki nariya per irukanu sonna adu note pannikonga. So this Chidabhasa Amsha is called I, Mithya Vishesha Amsha. That's Mithya dane. Adhyastha Mithya Vishesha Amsha is called I. Is known as Jivaha. Is known as Chidabhasaha. Reflected consciousness. Or Jiva. Number 3, Ahankara. That alone is called RC. That alone is called ego. Ego, RC, Ahankara, Chidabhasa, Jivaha, I. All are Mithya. These are all Mithya superimposed upon me, the Kutastha Chaitanyam originally. I myself, superimposed, Ajnani I, superimposed upon me, the original Kutastha, not knowing. Pudi Pandram. Mandi Tripi drama. Continue. Up to next week. Again you come to green room. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.